Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to see how you can turn on caption on any Instagram video easily. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first let's see how you can upload any video on Instagram with captions turned on. So basically you have to follow the same procedure while uploading any video on Instagram which you are following before. But before posting the video, you have to scroll down a bit and click on that advanced setting option in which you will find the captions option which you need to enable. And it will auto generate the captions while your video is playing on Instagram. And after that you can post the video with the captions turned on. Click on the three dot option above the video and click on captions option and enable it so that you can view the caption while your video is playing. You can view caption for any video on Instagram if the caption is enabled by the uploader.
Pixels. They were portals through which we could capture new experiences and relive memories. And through our displays, we saw life.
So hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you are new to my channel then do subscribe, and if you like this video then give it a like. So let's meet you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe.
Fluid display, heralding a new